How to fix OneNote sync error. So to fix sync errors in your OneNote, you can start by checking your connection and maybe you could try forcing a manual sync. So go ahead and open your OneNote, of course, go to your file like so, and go to your info for your specific notebook information. And then what you're going to do here is just press on this, which is the view sync status. You can click on sync now over here, and on the affected notebook, it has to be on that specific one. So make sure you're signed into the correct Microsoft account and that your internet connection is also stable. If a specific page or section shows an error, you can try copying its content into a new page and deleting the old one, as corrupted sections can cause sync failures. Also ensure your app is updated to the latest version, since outdated builds can commonly trigger syncing issues. If the error still happens, you can troubleshoot the storage problem. You can go ahead and try troubleshooting the storage and account problems, and to do so, you can check your OneDrive space if it's full, and if it is, syncing will stop until you free up storage or upgrade. But anyways, another option is to go ahead into your device settings, go ahead to your apps, go to your installed apps, and then just find your OneNote app. You could manually find it by scrolling down, but you could search for it as well. What you're going to do now is press on this, the triple dot button, and choose advanced options. Scroll down until you find this two options, which is the reset section. Go ahead and press on repair, and if it's not working yet, you can press on reset as well. It should just automatically close the app as well, where you can reopen, but if it doesn't, you could always do that yourself. But hopefully one of these options can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.